Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be reinstalling this unit. I'm going to be putting the link in the description down below. So if you guys want to see this video, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So let's get started with the video. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Video, I'm going to reinstall on my old wigs. The wig right here. I wear it like 2 times already. I recently did a review on this wig. I really like it. It's really long. It doesn't shed that much, you know. I like the lace, so I did go ahead. I washed it and everything, you know. So there's a little bit of residue on it, but it's not that much. So let's go ahead and install this bad boy. I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip. I know we different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Roll like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at the streets, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just going ahead and I'm going to be plucking a little bit of the hair because it's a little bit thick for me. The first time that I did it, I did not pluck it because I did like a middle part, and when I do middle part, I just like my hair to be looking full. So I'm just plucking it because it's gonna be kind of up, so it's gonna be looking really thick because the hair itself is really thick. So I'm just going ahead and I'm plucking that, and look how it looks. It kind of look a little bit better, right, with plucking it. It's not as dense as before. Now my hand is tired, so I'm just using the eyebrow razor, and I'm just using it like just scraping it across, and then this will help with the plucking effect. It will make it the hair a little bit thinner. So that's what I did. As you can see, it kind of look a little bit thinner, but it's still full. But so for the baby hair, what I did, I went in and I did like a half a triangle, and I did that on both sides. And make sure that your parting is straight. That's what you see that I'm doing right here, that my parting is straight and everything look coordinated. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull my hair back. Now I'm gonna take my eyebrow razor, and then I'm just gonna cut off a little bit of that and then shave it down a little bit because I do want it to be thick but not that thick. Now I'm going ahead with my spray to get rid of the flyaways. So flyaways. And now I'm going to go ahead and make sure everything is laid flat and everything looks nice and neat. So I'm just going to tie that down so it can melt. Back here I'm using my LA colors for my cartoon. It looks so pretty. And then I'm just gonna apply that to make it straight, and then I'm gonna just add some more LA colors, and then I'm gonna go around my baby hair, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And now I'm just gonna twist that and then just secure it with a little rubber band.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. Killer. I let it fall. My heart, and does it feel? You rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true.
Come the thing them call a broken heart. This blessed love will never part. They don't know it from the start. Me tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Baby, how the road made me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I just a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that the man is just a man. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
I know you know we're at the part. That's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love.
What a man gotta do, what a man gotta do. Girl, but I never have a promise and I'm bling bling for all a girl. But I just love it when me fling fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bond. I know you want your cat, and me just can't perform.
Love you, baby.
I show you get the little loving on me God.
Don't know how to love.
Okay guys, so this is how my hair looks.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, calling me